आज की इस क्लास में मैं आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ने की प्रैक्टिस कराऊंगी। अगर आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ने में दिक्कत या परेशानी आती है तो आज की वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। इस वीडियो में मैं एक एक वर्ड को अच्छे से पढ़ना सिखाऊंगी। तो आपको करना क्या है, इस वीडियो को शुरू से लेकर लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखना है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की इस क्लास को। द ऑनेस्ट फार्मर, ONCE, once, UPON, upon, TIME, time, THERE, there, was, POOR, poor, FARMER, farmer, NAMED, named, RAMESH, Ramesh, WHO, LIVED, lived, in, SMALL, small, VILLAGE, village, WITH, with, HIS, his, WIFE, wife, AND, and, TWO, two, CHILDREN, children. Once upon a time, there was a poor farmer named Ramesh who lived in a small village with his wife and two children. अगर आप इस तरीके से अंग्रेजी पढ़ने की प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो मात्र 15 दिन में इंग्लिश पढ़ना सीख जाओगे। RAMESH, रमेश, WAS, was, VERY, very, HARDWORKING, hard working, AND, and, HONEST, honest, MAN, man, he. Ramesh was a very hard-working and honest man. He WORKED, worked, in, HIS, his, FIELD, field, EVERY, every, DAY, day, FROM, from, MORNING, morning, TO, two, EVENING, evening, worked in his field every day from morning to evening. ONE, one, MORNING, morning, RAMESH, Ramesh, WENT, went, TO, two, HIS, his, FIELD, field, EARLY, early, IN, in, THE, the, MORNING, morning. One morning, Ramesh went to his field early in the morning. WHILE, while, HE, he, WAS, was, WALKING, walking, he, SAW, beautiful, beautiful, bag, bag, lying, lying, under, under, big, big, tree. While he was walking, he saw a beautiful bag lying under a big tree. He, picked, picked, up, the, bag, and, opened, opened, it. He picked up the bag and opened it. To, his, to his. Surprise, surprise, there, was, lot, off, money, money, inside, the, bag. Surprised, there was a lot of money inside the bag. There, were, also, some, important, papers. There were also some important papers. Ramesh, was, very, surprised. Ramesh was very surprised. His, family, family, was, poor, and, they, needed, money, to, buy, food, clothes, and, books, for, his, children. His family was poor and they needed money to buy food, clothes, and books for his children. For, moment, he, thought, for a moment he thought. About, keeping, the, money, but, then, he, thought, this, money, does, not, belong, belong, to, me. About keeping the money, but then he thought, this money does not belong to me. SOMEONE, someone. MUST, BEBVERY, very. WORRIED, worried. BECAUSE, because. he. has. LOST, lost. it. Someone must be very worried because he has lost it. RAMESH, Ramesh. DECIDED, decided. TO, FIND, find. THE, the. OWNER, owner. OF, THE, the. BAG, Ramesh decided to find the owner of the bag. He. WENT, went. TO, THE, the. VILLAGE, village. AND, and. ASKED, asked. MANY, many. PEOPLE, people. ABOUT, about. He went to the village and asked many people about. IT, it. BUT, but. NOBODY, nobody. KNEW, new. ANYTHING, anything. It, but nobody knew anything. AFTER, after. SOME, some. TIME, time. he. SAW, so. BUSINESSMAN, businessman. LOOKING, looking. VERY, very. WORRIED, worried. After some time, he saw a businessman looking very worried. RAMESH, Ramesh. ASKED, asked. him. SIR, sir. ARER, YOU, LOOKING, looking. for. SOMETHING, something. Ramesh asked him, sir, are you looking for something? THE, the. BUSINESSMAN, businessman. REPLIED, replied. YES, yes. LOST, lost. My. BAG, bag. THIS, this. MORNING, morning. The businessman replied, yes, I lost my bag this morning. IT, it. HAD, had. LOT, lot. Off. MONEY, money. AND, and. SOME, some. IMPORTANT, important. PAPERS, papers. It had a lot of money and some important papers. Ramesh, Ramesh. Smiled, smiled. And gave, the. Bag, him. Ramesh smiled and gave the bag to him. Found, found. That. Everything, everything. Was. Safe, found that everything was safe. He. Became, became. Very. Happy, happy. And. Thanked. Ramesh, Ramesh. For. His. Honesty, honesty. He became very happy and thanked Ramesh for his honesty. He. Offered, offered. Ramesh. Some. Money. As. Reward, reward. But. Ramesh. Politely, politely. Refused. He offered Ramesh some money as a reward, but Ramesh politely refused. He. Said. Only. Returned. What? Belonged. Belonged. To. You. He said, I only returned what belonged to you. The. Businessman, businessman. Was. Very. Impressed. By. Rameshes. Honesty. Honesty. And. Offered. Him. Good. Good. Job. Businessman was very impressed by Ramesh's honesty and offered him a good job. Ramesh. Ramesh. Accepted. Accepted. The. Job. And. Continued. Work. Honestly. Ramesh accepted the job and continued to work honestly. After. Few. Years. He. Saved. Enough. Money. TO, BUY, by, BIGGER, bigger, PIECE, peace, OF, LAND, land. After a few years, he saved enough money to buy a bigger piece of land. He, BECAME, became a SUCCESSFUL, successful. FARMER, farmer. AND, and HIS, his. CHILDREN, children. He became a successful farmer and his children. RECEIVED, received. A GOOD, good. EDUCATION, education, received a good education. RAMESH, Ramesh. ALWAYS, always. TAUGST, taught. HIS, his. CHILDREN, children. THAT, that. MONEY, money. CAN, MAKE, make. LIFE, life. COMFORTABLE, comfortable. BUT, but. HONESTY, honesty. MAKES, max. LIFE, life. MEANINGFUL, meaningful. Ramesh always taught his children that money can make life comfortable, but honesty makes life meaningful. HIS, his. CHILDREN, children. LEARNED, learned. IMPORTANT, important. LESSON, lesson. FROM, from. THEIR, there. FATHER, father. His children learned an important lesson from their father. अगर आपको आज की क्लास अच्छी लगी है तो आज की क्लास को लाइक कर देना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और एक प्यारा सा कमेंट ज़रूर कर देना। मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में।